Hello, Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium, Bengaluru. Welcome to the new episode of The Sky This Week. In this episode, we will look at what all the objects that we can see in the night sky. Sky charts are essential tool for any stargazers. You can use them for your benefit to identify the constellations, stars and other objects in the night sky.
As this is monsoon season, clouds covered sky is obvious. Here and there, we can get some clear sky which may help us to observe bright objects in the sky. First, let us identify the cardinal directions which will help us to use the sky charts effectively. Evening sky. These 7 stars called Saptarishi Mandala, which are part of Ursa Major constellation, can help us to identify the pole star or Polaris. This is cardinal north. Now, other cardinal directions are easily identifiable. Around 8 p.m., you can observe planets Jupiter and Saturn above the eastern horizon. On July 20th, Saturn will be in opposition and will be nearest to the Earth, hence brightest. Between northeast and east, you can identify Summer Triangle and its stars Vega, Altair and Deneb. In south, you can see 2 bright stars of Centaurus constellation, Alpha Centauri and Beta Centauri. In the western sky, you can see Spica or Chitta of Virgo constellation and Arcturus or Swati of Bootes constellation. Early morning around 4:30 a.m. In the northern sky, you can identify Cassiopeia, which can help in identifying pole star. Pole star represents north cardinal direction. In the eastern sky, you can see Venus in Taurus constellation. Next to it, you can easily identify the constellation Orion. Southern sky, you can observe 2 bright stars. One is Achernar of Eridanus constellation and the other Fomalhaut of Pisces Austrinus. During this time, you can also observe Mars in the overhead sky. Let us observe Moon's position throughout this week. Day after new moon, evening western sky is suitable to observe moon. July 21st, first day after new moon. Moon will be near to the sun, hence difficult to observe. July 22nd, second day of waxing. Moon can be seen near Regulus or Maga of Leo constellation. July 23rd, third day of waxing. Moon can be seen near Zosma or Purva Phalguni of Leo constellation. July 24th, fourth day of waxing. Moon can be seen near Denebola or Uttara Phalguni of Leo constellation. July 25th, fifth day. Moon can be seen near Carvus or Asta. July 26th, sixth day. Moon can be seen here in Virgo constellation near Spica or Chitta. Comet Neowise, a naked eye comet which has become popular attraction in the sky, is continuing attracting more and more astrophotography enthusiasts. It has started moving away from the sun, hence can be seen this week in the northwestern sky in Ursa Major constellation. As it is moving away from the sun, it is expected to dim as days pass. On July 23rd, though it will be nearer to the Earth, it may not be visible to the naked eye as it has moved away from the Sun. But it should be observable through binoculars and telescope. All the best. Thank you.